everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your SoundCore earbuds to your Honor phone. So if you got one of these headsets, very easy to do. Let's swipe down from the top right. Go to settings or go to Bluetooth there. So we can go to Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth is turned on. Let's remove these earbuds. If we don't have them previously connected to a different device, they should just be placed in the Bluetooth pairing mode. And they should show up under available devices. So just give us some time, otherwise turn on and off Bluetooth and they should show up. So you can see I got other devices, sometimes they don't have a name right away. So you can back up and go back into this menu too. And here it is. Let's go to pair, connection failed. Try it again. Tap here, tap there, they're connected. You can tap here for settings, and you can go to the bottom to unpair if you want to bring this to another device in the future, and then they will automatically just connect to that previous device. So if you're running into that issue, make sure you unpair from your last phone or device. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.